I'm Laura, and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, cheesiest grilled cheese right in the air fryer. There's no flipping it in the pan, no hot fire, and it's so safe kids can make it themselves. First, let's preheat the air fryer to 370 for about 5 minutes. Now, while this is warming up, I'm going to butter the outsides of my bread slices. Now, here's a pro tip. Butter at room temperature is gonna spread like a dream. No butter, no problem. Just spray the tops of the bread that will go on the outside of the sandwich. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Now we're gonna assemble the sandwich. The cheese is gonna go in the middle. Now, I'm using cheddar cheese slices, and the butter sides are on the outside. If you're using classic sandwich bread, which tend to be airy and thin, you're going to use a toothpick to secure the sandwich. This is going to prevent that bread slice from flying around in the air fryer while it's cooking. Now that the air fryer is preheated, I'm gonna take my grilled cheese sandwich and place it in my basket. If you're making more than one sandwich, make sure that they are in a single layer. It's gonna air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, and then I'm gonna open it, flip it over, and another 2 to 3 minutes on the second side. First time you make it in your air fryer, you want to keep an eye on it because every air fryer is a little different. That's why I said 2 to 3 minutes. So you don't want to risk burning your beautiful golden crust. Check it out. I'm gonna take this beautiful grilled cheese right onto my cutting board, remove the toothpick, and then I'm gonna slice it through the middle. By the way, do you slice your sandwiches into triangles or rectangles? Leave a comment below and let me know what you do and how your grilled cheese turns out. Let's get ready for that satisfying moment where the cheese is gonna be melty. Oh, so good. You know what else is epic? My air fryer Uncrustables. It's another kid favorite recipe, and I'm gonna link the video for you to watch next. Thanks for cooking lunch with me today. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button for more simple, family-friendly recipes. See you next time.